My name is Andrea Priska, and this is my heart dissection. Unfortunately, my phone died while I was recording my previous video, so my heart is already dissected. So this is my second attempt. So this is the anterior side of the heart. This is the line that divides it. So this is the right side of the heart. This is going to be the left side of the heart. Let me turn on the light. Okay, so right side, left side. And this down here is the apex. So when we go inside, we have a right atrium, which is going to be this space up here. We've got our right ventricle. We have our left ventricle, left atrium. We have, this is left wall, the right wall. This is the intraventricular septum. We have, on the left side, we've got the tendae chordae of our the tendae chordae of our bicuspid valve. Over here, you can kind of see the tendae chordae of the tricuspid valve. On this side, you can see more of that tricuspid valve here. Okay, so the easiest one to see is going to be our aorta, which leads from the left ventricle all the way to the rest of the body. So that's right here. The other one that can be seen here is going to be, it starts up here. And this is going to be our superior vena cava. And that is going to lead all the way into our right ventricle. You can't really see it, but I can tell it's moving the tendae chordae in the right ventricle. Or I'm sorry, right atrium. So this is the superior vena cava into the right atrium. So here we can see the remnants of the pulmonary veins, okay? And those are coming from the left atrium, or I'm sorry, those are leading into the left atrium. From the left atrium, everything is leaving out of the aorta. Over here. So if I go ahead and open this guy up, he's gonna lead us all the way into that right ventricle. So that is gonna be our pulmonary trunk, which is gonna be our pulmonary artery. So that is going to pump the blood into our lungs. From our lungs, it comes back in through these back here, which are going to lead into our left atrium. From the left atrium, they go through the bicuspid into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, the blood is going to be pumped out through the aorta to go around the body, to come back through the vena cava, which we have right here. That's going to be coming back into our right atrium. So here's kind of what's left of that.